Today I'm going to quickly show you the claw clip video, but from the front as well. Now, the reason you normally can't see the front of my head in the videos is because I look really unattractive with my hair back. Like, I just can't explain to you how, well, I can, there you go. Perfect example. It just doesn't suit me. I wish I could wear ponytails, I can't. But what I can sort of do, and normally it's the third or fourth day, like when my hair's, because every time, so my hair's straight, obviously, that's freshly washed and it's just straight and nothing. So I curl it every day, and then on the third and fourth day, I put it up. And then like the ends are still a bit curly and they look kind of nice in a claw clip. So I thought I'd show you. So let me spin around, although when I spin around, I know it's a bit awkward because I don't know how much you can see of me. So let's go. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. So I pull my hair into a low ponytail, and then I do the twist where I bring it up and twist it so it's nice and tight on itself, and then I get the claw clip in. Now this one is probably about the right size for my hair because I haven't got a lot of hair, but it could be a little bit bigger, depends how much you're putting in. You'll need a different size. And then I spin around to the front, and it's bearing in mind, like, this is what I say when I hate my hair up. Bearing in mind, my ends are normally curly. I then sort of lift it up and fiddle around and just sort of get this front a little bit higher and pull it about a little bit. I can't see because my camera's gone dark because I think it's just got too hot in the sun. And then I just pull loads of bits out wherever I want. Again, don't forget these ends are normally curly. And I just sort of keep lifting and pulling. So I've got, I wish I could do the clean girl, but I can't. So I lift it and pull bits out until I'm happy that it's kind of big and messy. And yeah, that's how I do my hair in a claw clip. Normally when it's curly. I should have shown you when it's curly, but I just wanted to get these videos done because I've got to get on a train to Liverpool in about half an hour. I've got to get to Euston, and I've just got stuff to do. Bye.